Hey guys, it's Burgos here, and in this video I'll talk about how to build reliable Grave of Wrath team. And this is very essential because this dungeon is not so easy if you don't know what you're doing. The Colossal Scavenger have a lot of debuffs, and if you check all the spells he put poison damage, healing, recharging speed, healing prohibition, a lot of stuff that is going to actually slow the progress of your spells, the healing, everything. And the key here is not even having an epic hero. Yeah, this is no joke. So I'll tell you my personal way and how I built my team. Definitely it's way more easy to collect rare heroes from this to collect the epic heroes. If somebody show you epic heroes or legendary heroes, this is very hard to get it. So the first and main hero here is going to be a Sigrid. Since this boss is having healing when he get your hero and start hitting your hero. If we check here, we're going to go and view information. This thing 600% of the damage this boss is doing to your hero. Normally this is going to be your tank, is going to be a HP restoration, so you definitely want to care on this because this will be never ending battle. So this is the first thing you have to keep in mind, and Sigrid is going to help you by a lot in this adventure. Also she have this juicy attack penalty, which is 50%. This is helping for almost all boss that is on the Dragonheir Silent Gods. All the bosses have some pretty juicy attacking damage spell, so this is your main character here. And Sigrid is a rare, so pretty easy to be get it. Of course, not every rare can be get it. The other hero is actually Hexandra. Now this is your main healer, and she do pretty juicy amount of healing, so definitely you want to have her. This is the other rare. And the final rare is the rare that is going to care for all the debuffs, because believe me, there is a lot of debuffs, a lot of stacks of poison, recharging speed reduction, healing prohibition. Even on the higher levels, the healing prohibition from 50% is going to 100%. And here shine the Fitz. Now Fitz is going to transfer all the debuffs from your heroes to him, and transfer all alias debuffs to the hero. Each successful transfer will get him some HP, and this is absolutely great. You just need these three rares, and you want to have also Horus. I think Horus is part of your gameplay, one of the first epic you're going to receive, in combination with for example your main character. He's going to do some damage. So if you don't have, maybe you can put extra hero there, for example Catherine or some other hero that is going to extra boost. Is depending which stage you are and what level your heroes, but this is your three main heroes that you is must to have. Sigrid, and of course Fitz and Hexandra. Hexandra is a hero that you're going to get by building your chapter in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So this is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my ultimate team. Of course you can remove Hexandra and put some other hero, but I think she's pretty nice and you get her for free basically. Now the other heroes that you're going to need is somebody to actually care for the buff. My suggestion is Fitz. It's just because taking out all the debuffs and get some extra HP. You can even level up Fitz and use Fitz on place of Horus, for example, stuff like this. And of course something to care for this healing and somehow to reduce the damage from the Grave of Wrath. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.